Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Euro dollar, just like I've been saying for months and months now, I definitely still think this is a wave A. I still think this is a wave B, 3 ways down for wave B. I think this is going to end up forming an uptrend, which most likely will take it up above these highs, maybe even all the way to the 161.8 Fibonacci extension for an expanding flat wave C. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, first of all, I think this wave 5 over here is the wave 1. I think this big ABC correction is an expanding flat wave 2. That would make this right here a 1 of 3. That's make this a WXY, which would be a 2 of 3. And this would be a wave 3 of wave 3. And a wave 3 should be the strongest wave of a trend. So it should continue to make higher highs, higher lows on this weekly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, if you've been following along with my videos, and you probably just like I did had an amazing trade yesterday on the euro dollar, because I've been saying for a long time now that the trend is year fed and you should definitely be looking for longs. Now we do have CPI inflation data coming out today, so it's going to be interesting to see what that does. I'm not going to be counter trend trading it, so if it does make a big push to the downside, I probably won't enter that. I do think we are in a wave 3 on the higher time frame, so I honestly wouldn't be surprised at all if it just blew right past this Fibonacci level and just kept on trending up. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Like I said, if you've been following along with my videos, then you probably also had a really amazing trade this week on the euro dollar, just like we did in the group. So it made its way all the way back up to the 78% Fibonacci extension level. A little bit of a double top right here. Like I said, we have a really big news coming out today, and it would kind of make you think, because we got a double top and we're at a fib level, that it might go down. But because I believe we're in a wave 3 on the higher time phase, I honestly would not be surprised if it actually just blew right past this Fibonacci level and just kept on trending up. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour time frame, if it does, respect this fib level, if it does go down, if it does break structure on this 1 hour time frame and you do trade below the 1 hour time frame, then at that point you definitely could start looking for sorts. I think if anything, that move down would just be a crutch into the move up. So I mean, I personally, as a swing trader, would be waiting for the pullback to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. But we have news in a few hours, so it's not like we have enough time to make a proper pullback. So either it's just going to blow past this fib level and just go down strong, or it's just going to blow past this fib level and just go up really strong. The trend is up on the very high time phase. I believe we're in a wave 3. Like I said, I honestly wouldn't be surprised maybe if it drifted down a little bit over the next couple hours and then the news came out and it just blew past this fib level and just kept on trending up. I personally am only looking for longs, just like I've been talking about for weeks now, and there's a reason for that. The reason is that the trend is your friend, and you have a way higher probability of having very profitable trades when you trade with the trend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.